Hello friends, it's been 8 months that Sakura has come into my life and he has just completed 10 months. So I thought today I will share a very few hands-on practical tips on how to take care of your puppy, which I feel is very easy to practice and it saves time and it will be very useful to you while taking care of your little one. Friends, when you decide to get a puppy, try your best to get your puppy when the puppy is 8 weeks of age. Speak to your breeder and try to negotiate, because as long as the puppy is with the mother, it is good, because the puppy can get the mother's milk, develop immunity, and there are a lot of things which the puppy learns from the mother when the puppy is with the mother. So try to get the puppy when the puppy is 2 months of age or at least 7 weeks of age. The most important thing which I would like to tell you in this video is the moment you get the puppy, even before you can organize the puppy's feeding bowl or the puppy's bed, the first thing you should do is visit a vet. A vet, and make the vet your lifelong friend, because it is extremely important that your vet to check up or examine your puppy and give you advice regarding the puppy's food, the supplements, the vaccination schedule. If your puppy has got any inherent problems, how to deal with it, the vet is the best person to guide you. So visit the vet. There may be certain situations which arise out of nowhere, which is totally unforeseen, like if your puppy gobbles up something, your puppy develops rashes, or your puppy has got red eyes, anything which you have not thought of before, you would like to reach out to your vet and immediately take the advice. Even before you can reach the hospital, you may like to talk to your vet and ask what to do. So it is very useful if your vet can be in regular touch with you. Keep your vet involved in the life of your puppy. Remember, your vet is the most important person after you in the life of your puppy. Next comes grooming. Grooming the dog. This is very unlike what usually people say, that it's very difficult to maintain a French Bulldog. If you follow very useful tips and if you have a regular regime of grooming the dog, half your problem will be solved there only. Every time your dog comes back from his walk, make it a point to wash the paws. French Bulldogs have the folds below their eyes, so you have to clean that every day. And of course, clipping the nails regularly and washing them, their paws, and then giving a dry shampoo will keep them fresh. And after giving them a dry shampoo, wipe it out and brush their coat. Their coat will remain silky. And of course, along with it, you must brush their teeth, because when they get older, they may develop some tooth problems. So if they have a habit of brushing their teeth from childhood, this will go a long way in keeping their teeth healthy. Vaccination and deworming. Your vet will give you the schedule to be followed, and please stick to it. It is extremely important that your dogs get all the vaccination which is required. It varies from country to country, I believe. So your vet is the best person to advise you. Stick to the routine and complete that. Along with it goes deworming. Deworming is also extremely important, because if your dogs have worms, then they tend to become anemic and they tend to have other problems. Until the vaccination is completed, I would suggest that don't take your dog out, because the dog might catch some infection. That is to be extra safe. I did not take Sakura out and I did not give him a full bath till his vaccine regime was completed. Of course, that is what my vet advised me to do. Diet. Your vet will guide you regarding the diet your puppy needs. As for my personal experience, I never gave milk to Sakura because some dogs are lactose intolerant. So I have never given Sakura any milk products. I began with puppy Cerelac, which does not contain milk, and Royal Canine puppy treat. You can give your own preferential brand. So you can start off with that, and I started introducing human food to Sakura at around 4 months of age. So now he takes boiled chicken and pumpkin. Pumpkin is extremely good. Believe me, it's very good for their stomach. So I make it a point, I give him boiled chicken and pumpkin in both the meals he takes. Along with it, in the morning, some days I give him Royal Canine puppy treat so that he doesn't get out of the habit, because it may happen we have to travel somewhere and I cannot all the time carry home cooked food with me. So just to keep him in the habit, I give him sometimes. Otherwise, I give him Indian bread, what we called roti in India. So that is made of wheat flour, that is healthy. So he takes that in the morning, and both the other meals he takes boiled chicken and boiled pumpkin. As in between snacks, he takes a small cube of apple, which is, again, be careful, do not give the seed. Just the apple, peeled apple, you can slice it into small pieces and give. That is good for the dog's health. You can give small pieces of cucumber, that is also good for the dog's health. You can give ripe papaya, that contains enzyme, which is also extremely good for your dog's stomach. It's wonderful to have a dog at your home. It's like having a baby. The only thing is they require more attention and they take more love and attention than a baby does maybe sometimes. It is not very difficult to care for a dog. If you stick to the routine and if you're very organized and disciplined about your routine, it's wonderful. It doesn't take much time. Your dog needs your company, especially lap dogs and toy breeds like French bulldogs. They need a lot of time and company. So try to be at home as much as possible. Otherwise, they develop separation anxiety and they feel very left out. They feel sad. They will keep to themselves. They can't express, but they really miss you. So enjoy your life with your dog, and nothing can be more rewarding than having someone next to you all the time, someone who always loves you and expects so little from you in return.